Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to explain mean value theorem with help of example. Here the example is given. There is some certain condition for mean value theorem. The condition for mean value theorem are given here and the question is here. Here I am going to verify mean value theorem with help of example. Here verify mean value theorem if f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval closed interval AB where a equal to 1 and b equal to 4. Here the condition for mean value theorem are: the first condition, f of x is continuous in closed interval AB, and f of x, the given function, is differentiable. The given function is differentiable in open interval and there will be at least one value. There will be at least one value of, here C belongs to AB, open interval AB, such that f dash C, here f dash represent or denote for derivative of the given function at point C. Here f of b minus f of a upon b minus a is the slope of the function at point C. Now I am going to explain this theorem. Here the given function is polynomial function. This is a polynomial function, and you know that children, every polynomial function is continuous. Every polynomial function is always continuous. It means the given function is continuous. It means the first condition is verified. The given condition is verified. Second condition, f of x is differentiable in open interval AB. Here the given function is polynomial function. It means the given function must be differentiable in interval 1, 4. The given function is continuous. Why the given function is continuous? Because the given function is the polynomial function. Every polynomial function is always continuous and differentiable. Okay. Now I am going to find a point C. Point C in the interval AB. Here the condition is what? F dash C is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Now I am going to find f of a. F of a, the value of a is what? 1. And the function is what? F of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 6. And the value of f of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3. 16 minus 16, 0, it will become minus 3. The value of f of 4 equal to minus 3. Now I am going to differentiate the given function at point C. F dash x. F dash x is equal to what? The differentiation of x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 4. Let us take a point C in the interval AB. Here I am going to write f dash C. Here C is the point lies between AB, an open interval AB. 2 into C minus 4, and f dash C is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. F dash C is equal to f of b. The value of f of b is what? The f of b is minus 3. Minus 3, f of a means f of 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 upon b minus a. The value of b is what? The value of b is 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Now I am going to put the value of f dash c. The value of f dash c is 2c minus 1. 2c minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. 3 upon 3. 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. It gives C is equal to 5 by 2. Here the value of C is equal to 2.5. Here you can see that the value of C is 2.5, lies between 1 and 4. 1 and 4. The value of C is 2.5. The value of C is 2.5. Here the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 4. Here 2.5 lies between 1 and 4. Hence mean value theorem is verified. Thank you children.